welcome to Nana's Crafty Home. My name is Tanya. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to work knit-like crochet stitch, and I used it for my new Rustic Pumpkin pattern that you can find as a free pattern on my website, but I am going to be using this stitch for other patterns as well. If you're wanting to make my pumpkin and you want the tutorial for how to stuff, close, sew, all that good stuff, I will have a link below in my description that you can head over to another tutorial that I have for my checkered pumpkin pattern that will show you how to do that for yours. I am going to be using a bulky yarn, this 2 of Wands Hue Plus Me in mustard color with the matching crochet hook, which is a K or a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and get my yarn on my hook. This stitch is worked in multiples of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a chain of 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to go ahead and single crochet in that first chain that I made to form a ring. And then I'm going to single crochet in every chain around. So I will have the same number of single crochet stitches at the end as I did chains. So with 30 chains, I'll have 30 single crochet stitches at the end, working a single crochet in every chain around. I've worked a single crochet in every chain around, so I have a total of 30 stitches. So after you finish that last single crochet, we're at the end of our round. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to start on round 2. I'm not going to slip stitch join, we're working in seamless rounds. So for round 2, I'm going to be skipping the next stitch and then working a single crochet in the next stitch. For this stitch, which is a single crochet, it's going to be a center single crochet, also known as the waistcoat stitch, which we're not going to be working under the top 2 loops like we would normally. We're going to be inserting our hook between the 2 legs at the bottom of your single crochet stitch from the previous round. So I'm going to insert my hook down below and coming out on the back side underneath that loop. So you can see here are my top 2 loops, and there's another loop on my hook, so I have a total of 3 loops. If we split that out, 1, 2, and 3. So again, inserting our hook between the 2 legs of our single crochet, coming on the back underneath that loop on the back side, and then I will complete my single crochet stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the center of that last single crochet stitch, and finish my single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, center single crochet, inserting my hook in the legs, coming on the back side below that loop, and then complete my single crochet. And we're going to be repeating that around. Skip 1, single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next. And when you insert your hook, it's going to feel like it's not going through from the front. But if you move it towards the right, towards your previous stitch. So if you insert your hook and then guide it through the back side more towards your work, the stitch that you're currently making, and finish your single crochet. So insert, go towards your stitches that you're working, and finish. Skip, insert, and then guide it towards the right to go through that stitch, and just continue that on around. So I've worked that all the way around, and I'm just going to be continuing that for round 3 by chaining 1, and I'm going to skip the chain 1 and work another center single crochet in the next stitch. So just continuing with that same center single crochet, chaining 1, skipping your chain 1, center single crochet in the next. And we're just going to continue that until we reach the size desired in our pattern, or the number of rounds that our pattern tells us. I'm working the small size pumpkin in my free pattern. So for this size, I'm going to be working through round 11 before I fasten off for my pumpkin. So just continue that same pattern without joining, working in seamless rounds until you get to the size desired in your pattern. So I've worked through 11 rounds, and you can see what an interesting knit-like texture the stitch has. For my pumpkin, I don't need to worry about a very clean edge because it's just going to get cinched at the top. But if you were using this stitch for something else, in order to fasten off, I would chain 1. I would just work a slip stitch into that last stitch before I fastened off to give it a little bit more of a finished end. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. Thanks so much for being with me. As always, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a new video. Thanks everyone. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.